Hey guys, what's up? So I'm back with another unboxing video. This time we are going to unbox a Bluetooth wireless headset by the name Empower Cheetah. So as part of my initial research, while I was doing a research like which particular wireless headset to go for, I was looking for something that was not very costly. So that means I'm not going to go for any major brands and something that is not very high end. So this particular headset, Empower Cheetah, I bought it primarily for exercise. Maybe if I go out for jogging or something casual. That is what its primary usage will be. So as part of the minimum requirement, I was looking for Bluetooth version 4.1, at least version 4.1. Apart from that, there should be some level of sweat protection. And over the internet, I've heard some very good words about Empower Cheetah. So people are going crazy about it. The best part is it is not very costly. So this particular headset, it is not going to cost you a lot. Apart from that, as the reviews say, that it is having a very good battery life. So as per the people on the internet, it says that it is going to run for 8 hours non-stop. So as per the website where I bought it from, I should continue in Hindi. So मैंने ये ख़रीदा है, एक वेबसाइट है अली एक्सप्रेस के नाम से. So जैसे इंडिया में हम लोग की बहुत सी वेबसाइट जो है फेमस हैं, फ्लिपकार्ट हो गई, अमेजन हो गई, ईबे हो गया, स्नैपडील हो गई. सो दिस इज़ समथिंग सिमिलर. और इसके थ्रू आप क्या कर सकते हैं, यू कैन बाय प्रोडक्ट्स डायरेक्टली फ्रॉम चाइना. तो एक ये रिटेल स्टोर है, तो इसमें जो चाइना के प्रोडक्ट्स हैं वो आप इंपोर्ट कर सकते हैं अपनी कंट्री में. एंड द बेस्ट पार्ट इज़ दे आर नॉट गोइंग टू चार्ज यू लॉट. So this particular model I've got it for $22, 21.5 to be precise. So $22 something. And when I've checked it on India, I found that it was around 4,000 रुपए के आसपास था ये अमेज़न पे. इसकी स्पेक्स की बात की जाए, जो कुछ इसमें मेंशन है, इस ब्लूटूथ वर्जन 4.1, then battery life is around 8 hours and standby is 180 hours. And the model number is MBH6 and it's in color black. If you like, अगर आप लोग देखते हैं तो उसमें बहुत सारे कलर्स अवेलेबल हैं. It is available in green, it is available in blue. So okay, let's start with the unboxing. Let's see how it looks like. ये ओरिजिनल पैकिंग है जो अली एक्सप्रेस वाले करके भेजते हैं. This is how it is packed. Apart from that, it will be bubble wrapped from outside. Okay, so this is how it looks. It has been beautifully packed, I must say. Okay, so this is how the headphone looks like. This is the headphone. It is going to curl around you. आपके ears पे फिट हो जाता है. This is what it looks like. I think look wise तो ये काफ़ी अच्छा है. इसके टॉप पे मुझे मैट फिनिश जैसा कुछ लग रहा है और इसके जो कॉइल्स हैं वो भी काफ़ी इलास्टिक लग रहे हैं. I think it will be good for long usage. इसके अलावा what else is there? Okay, so the extra earbuds हैं to fit the various ear sizes, and then we have a charging cable, and this is the instruction manual. The good part is इस English में भी instructions हैं. So I was worried कि ऐसा तो नहीं है कि सब Chinese में. Okay, so this is what the headphone looks like. I will sync it with my mobile and maybe use it for some days. After that, hopefully, I will एक और वीडियो मैं बनाता हूँ इसकी कैसा है, इसका कैसा फील है, इसकी म्यूज़िक साउंड कैसी है, क्वालिटी कैसी है, बैटरी लाइफ कैसी है, वो सब hopefully we are going to cover in another video. So as of now, this is the headphone.